take your time. Every move perfectly aligned. City lights reflecting gold. In your eyes a story told. Your shadow dancing on the wall. One look and I start to fall. Heartbeat sinking with the bass. Your rhythm pulling me in place.
No words but you understand. Every touch feels pre-planned. Something burning deep inside. No place left for us to hide.
There's a slow fire in your eyes, burning me without a sign. Every stay, no alibi. Got me falling every time. Slow fire burning slow. Every beat tells me so. In your eyes, no disguise. There's a slow fire in your eyes. Lockdown, whispering my name. Heavy drop, don't sound the same. Your body moving like a wave, pulling me into your space. Sweating sound and the night collide. I don't wanna break this vibe. If loving you is losing control, then I don't wanna save my soul.
Hold me closer, feel the sound. Let the rhythm bend us down. If tomorrow fades away, I still want tonight to stay.
There's a slow fire in your eyes, burning me without a sign. Every stay, no alibi. Got me falling every time. Slow fire burning slow. Every beat tells me so. In your eyes, no disguise. There's a slow fire in your eyes. Slow fire.
Yeah. Speak louder than words. Every touch got my body alert. City lights dancing on your skin. Pull me closer, let the night begin. Your eyes, tell me no rush now. Move slow, let me show you how. Amapiano running through my veins. Every step driving me insane. Hold me steady, feel the heat. Heartbeat talking to the beat. Every second feels so right. Lost to you inside the night. Is that slow fire on my waist? Burning sweet, never in haste. Every move I flew your trace. It's slow fire on my waist. close, I lose control. Tonight you touch my soul. Your voice soft like midnight rain, washing off my stress and pain. Air we sway, pulling me in. This kind of love should be a sin. Take me deeper, don't let go. Let the rhythm guide us slow. Skin to skin, no need to call. Get the music, make us lose that fire on my waist. Burning sweet, never in haste. Every move I feel your trace. Slow fire on my waist. Slow fire. Slow fire. Take your time, don't waste. That slow fire on my way. Slow fire. Ooh, slow. Stay right here. Don't break our pace. Slow fire on my waist. Stay right here. Don't break a pace. Slow fire on my waist.
Yeah, slow motion, Afrobeat. Yeah, relax, speakers, breathers, slow. Bassline deep, feel it in your soul. Every step moving cinematic. Each groove hypnotic, automatic. From Johannesburg to London nights, saying bounce under different lights. When the loud drums start to talk, everybody know it's time to walk. No rush, we ride the wave. This vibe too smooth to waste. If you feel it in your chest, let your body do the rest. That 4 p.m. no motion, move it slow. Let the rhythm take control. Side to side, feel the devotion. Afrobeat no motion. That 4 p.m. no motion. It's all night long. Beat groove turning into soul. When the bassline cause explosion. Afrobeat no motion. Stay with it. Stay with it. Stay with it. Feel that tone. Deep in the zone. Deep in the zone. Deep in the zone. Feel that tone. Sweat drip, no stress. Minimal words, maximum flex. Eyes closed, feeling blind. Lost inside a baseline. African roots in the future sound. Every bounce make the crowd slow down. No screaming, just control. This groove living in your bones. No pressure, no race. This rhythm set the pace. If the night don't wanna end, let the DJ play again. Afrobeat no motion, move it slow. Let the rhythm take control. Side to side, feel the devotion. Afrobeat no motion. Afrobeat no motion. All night long, keep groove turning into song. When the bassline cause explosion. Afrobeat no motion. Amapiano large, I'm sold. Teaching new languages through speakers, not pages. The sound don't need translation, just vibrations, communication. From township nights to world stage, same rounds, different age. If you're moving, you understand this rhythm is the plan. Just bass, just drum, heartbeat become one. No draw, get reality, just build the tension slowly. For piano motion, feeling out, everybody breaking down. No fear, just emotion. Afropiano motion, worldwide, from Africa to oceans wide. When the crew get in position, Afropiano motion, yeah.
Turn it up. Afrobeat. Sun still high, but the party on. Speakers loud, we don't go home. From the street to the festival stage, same energy, different page. Drums hit hard, bass too clean. Whole place jump when the beat come in. From daytime vibes to midnight zone, this sound make the crowd lose control. Hands up high, don't look down. When the drum drop, shake the ground. If you feel it in your chest, that's Afrobeat, that is best. Turn up Afrobeat, all the way. We don't stop till the break of day. Jump, move, let your body speak. Turn up Afrobeat, feel the heat. Turn up Afrobeat, no delay. From the front row too far away. When the DJ play that beat, turn up Afrobeat. Yeah, move your waist now. Yeah, lose control now. Yeah, everybody scream. Afrobeat energy, sweat dripping, lights too bright. Crowd going crazy every night. Different flags, but the vibe the same. One rhythm calling every name. No fear, no holding back. When they kick, drum attack. From Miami Heat to UK waves, this sound make the people misbehave. Jump with me, don't think twice. This moment worth the price. If your heart beat double time, you're ready. Turn up Afrobeat, all the way. We don't stop till the break of day. Jump, move, let your body speak. Turn up Afrobeat, feel the heat. Turn up Afrobeat, no delay. From the front row to far away. When the DJ play that beat, turn up Afrobeat. Heavy Afro drums, solo, call and response instead. Squall like a big festival star, rebuild. Big festival star, rebuild. From the roots to the future sound, Africa lifting the whole world now. Every culture in the same space, same sweat dripping from every face. This is not music, this is a movement. Every jump is a statement. If you hear this, you already know. Afrobeat, we're ready to explode. Slow it down, feel the bounce. Let the bassline move the crowd, and we bring it back again. Stronger than it's ever been. Turn up Afrobeat, turn it loud. Feel the fire in the crowd. No limit, no retreat. Turn up Afrobeat, turn up Afrobeat. Worldwide, from Africa to oceans wide. When the drum hit, people meet. Turn up Afrobeat.
In driving through the city glow. Windows down, let the feeling flow. Street lights dancing on your skin. Every mile pulling us deeper in. Leather seats, space moving slow. Radio playing something low. From the corner block to skyline view. Same rhythm right in me and you. No rush, no destination. Just vibes and elevation. If tomorrow feel too far, tonight exactly where we are.
Midnight drive with the Afrobeat. Slow wine moving in the passenger seat. City sleeping but we wide awake. Midnight drive, no mistake. Midnight drive, let it play. Same song looping anyway. When the bassline hit that tone. Midnight drive, we gone.
Oh, 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 ride it slow. Oh, oh, let it go. Oh, oh, city lights. Afrobeat all night. Oh, oh, ride it slow. Oh, oh, let it go. Oh, oh, city lights. Afrobeat all night. Dashboard glowing out on cruise. Every breath feeling brand new. No crowd noise, just the sound. Baseline holding us down. From Lagos roads to LA lane. London nights, Tokyo rain. Different cities, same control. This rhythm riding in my soul.
No words, just motion. Deep like the ocean. If the night don't wanna end, let the DJ spin again. Midnight drive with the Afrobeat. Slow wine moving in the passenger seat. City sleeping but we wide awake. Midnight drive, no mistake. Midnight drive, let it play. Same song looping anyway. When the bassline hit that tone. Midnight drive, we gone.
Minimal percussion. Guitar riff echoing. Feel the net past breathing. Africa speaking through the night. Oh, so rapping neon light. This sound don't need no crowd. It hit deep, it's winning loud. Every mile erase the stress. Every beat say you blessed. If you lost, don't be afraid. This rhythm guide the way.
Jam, heartbeat match. City blur, moments catch. No past, no future zone. Just the night and Afro tone.
Midnight drive, turn it up. Feel the bass inside your chest. From the city to the sky. Midnight drive.
Midnight drive, worldwide. Different roads, same vibe. When the rhythm take control. Midnight drive.
Yeah.
City glowing on your skin. Neon dreams pulling us in. Music leaking through the street. Every sound feels bittersweet. You don't rush, you take your time. Every move right on the line. I don't talk, I just obey. Let the rhythm lead the way. No wine, no stress, no fear. Everything feels clear right here. If the night don't wanna end, I won't fight it, I pretend. Under Lagos lights, we don't need to hide. Every step, every breath feels so right. my chest, you pull me close, I forget the rest. Sweat drops falling with the beat, barefoot dancing on the street. Eyes locked, nothing fake. Every risk I'm willing to take. If tomorrow never calls, let this moment break the walls. Hold me closer, don't let go. Let the night decide the flow. No direction, no control, just the rhythm in my soul.
Warm Afrobeat bassline, soft percussion, emotional guitar melody, gentle on the same pads.
Africa crying through the drum. Oh, love never really gone. This sound, don't judge, don't lie. You just sit with me tonight. If loving you was my flaw, I accept it, that's my scar. I don't need you to stay, just needed you one more day.
Heart be louder than the street, memory dancing with the beat. No future, no rewind, just you living in my mind.
I still feel you worldwide, different cities, same inside. When the rhythm pull me through,
I still feel you.
I still feel you, let it ride.
I still feel you. Hey, no light.
Shadow move, oh. Shadow move, oh. City breathing in the dark, neon signs, quiet hearts. Every face got something hit, every smile something slip. Slow steps on the concrete floor, bass knock like a warning call. Eyes sharp, energy calm, nighttime inside my palm. No noise, just intention. Every thought's no magnetic. If the truth too hard to say, let the rhythm lead the way. Shadow move when the lights go low. Afrobeat in a darker tone. No face but the vibe stay true. Shadow move,
Shadow move, feel it deep. Slow grind, don't even speak when the bassline touch your soul. Shadow move,
low, move silent. Drum top, no violence. Deep way, slow ride. Shadow on my side. Bet you Raindrops on the window frame. Same street, different game. Trusting like city, yeah. Only rhythm really there. From backstreet to main stage glow. Same code every we go. Eyes open, mouth closed tight. We survive by the night. No love for illusion, only real conclusions. If tomorrow feel unsure, tonight's sound keep me pure. Shadow move when the lights go low. Afrobeat in a darker tone. No face but the vibe stay true. Shadow move,
shadow move, feel it deep. Slow grind, don't even speak when the bassline touch your soul. Shadow move.
Afrobeat bass.
No tribal percussion, drugs and textures, yeah. Echo guitar steps, like a car talking through the drums. Ancient pose, where we from? This sound don't beg for light. It shine best in the night. Every scar, every wind, written deep under the skin. If you know, then you know. This rhythm speaking code.
Heartbeat, bass align, lost sense of space and time. One step, shadow slide, darkness dancing by my side.
Shadow move worldwide, different city, same night. When the rhythm take control, shadow move.
Shadow move, feel the way.